Hey guys, it's Arnez here with Cycle Revive, and I just want to go over the installation process for an LED headlight using our LED headlight cap adapters. And the cool thing about these cap adapters are they offer an easy plug and play method. There's no drilling, no tooling, and no modifications at all really required. You simply just screw into your headlight housing just like your original cap would. In this demonstration, we're going to be using the G20 H7 LED headlight. More information about this could be found in the link below, which is also being sold on our site. So if you plan on using a different LED headlight, just make sure the body travel from the back end to the base is less than 40 millimeters. So today I'm going to be doing the installation on a 2004 R1.
Here you'll see where the original cap sits. Just simply turn it counterclockwise and pull out. It'll carry this rubber seal that we're going to remove and place on the new adapters. Next we'll unplug the headlight and pop off the bracket holding the bulb, and the bulb should just slide out. Now before installing the LEDs, we need to make sure that they turn on. Since the LEDs are polarized, current will only travel in one direction. After plugging the headlight in, turn the bike on. Try to avoid looking directly at it, as this may be your first instinct. Now if they don't turn on, then with the bike off, simply flip the connection. Then turn the bike on again. After we verified they turn on, turn the bike off. So the best method to install these is to disassemble it into two pieces, the base and the body. Keep the front face of the base forward as you place it into position and fasten the bracket. Then look for these tabs on the body. Positioning the wires facing upwards seemed to be easier. Slide the body by aligning tabs and twist clockwise. The shape of these brackets vary depending on the motorcycle, and some may need to be bent outward to accompany the headlight body. But you should hear a clicking sound when you turn the headlight because the bracket will act as a locking mechanism. And after the headlight is locked in place, we can just tuck in these loose wires. This particular cap, made for the 04 R1, has a larger tab and then two smaller tabs. We'll match this with the headlight housing so they interface properly. Insert it, making sure the rubber seal isn't caught on any of the lips, then twist clockwise.
Alright, so pretty much that was all there was to it. It's just like replacing a blown headlight. There's a few more steps, but nothing too drastic. And now I just want to show you the comparison between the LED and the halogen bulb.